just recently purchased a 2007 Honda Ridgeline. The batteries and the key fobs are dead, and the hard part is getting this small screw out right in front of my fingernail. Got the key, new battery, it's a CR1616. We've got a magnet so I can place that small screw while I'm replacing the battery and don't lose it. And I'm going to use a flat tip. It is a 1.5 size right there if you can see it. I like the flat blade because you can get more torque on a screw with a flat blade than a Phillips. And then I've got a small flat blade, a little bigger than the other one, just to pop the plastic case on. So I'm going to put this on the stand. Oh, and the last tip is you're going to need something with a small flame. You're going to heat the metal here. Keep your finger here on the plastic so it doesn't get too hot. You don't want to fry the circuitry. But there is blue Loctite on that little screw. If you heat it just enough, it'll release and you can get the screw out. Alright, I finished warming this screw with the lighter, the moment of truth. See if we can turn this. Get a look at the actual Phillips head just to make sure you're not stripping it, that you're seeing the points move as you're twisting. And yes, you might need reading glasses to see this. Tiny, tiny screw. Not turning it, so I'm going to heat it just a bit more. Okay, that screw feels warm. Almost too warm to the touch. Let's give it a shot again. I think it's moving. I can see the points moving. I am really glad they use blue thread lock and not red. Red is what you use on bolts you never want to get back out again. This little screw, I'm hoping this will be easier than stripping the head, in my opinion. Drilling out the head of that screw and then trying to extract it. And you don't have to run to the parts store or Honda to go find another small screw. There it goes. I'll try to hold this up to the, there we go. I don't know if you can see that. I put it in front of the, there we go. Do you see the blue thread lock on that? That's what's holding it. Now, let's, little indentation here. There's a screw that came out. Pop that open. And it's held up here. And you push it down this way to release it. That will fall out. I'm going to put that little screw on my magnet along with the bit so they don't get lost. And then we're going to pop open right above the buttons here. It's held on, and there's the battery and your electronics. The battery's this way. Old battery. New battery is the CR1616. Pull it out. the lettering, the Energizer, whatever brand, that goes down. So when you place it in here, you don't see any of the brand name or the size battery. At this point, you're just going to match up your dimensions, the outline, put the two pieces together. I'm going to wipe out, this has some, I'm going to guess, it sounds nasty, but body oils, it looks like, in here. Wipe that out. Okay, you can see that the panic button goes on top. Put that back in. Seat the top of the key first. Before we put that screw in, let's see if we get a light right there. Yep, there's a small red light as I push these, so we know it's working. That is it. Take your time. Don't get in a hurry. Don't overheat. If you get frustrated, take a break. But it's still faster than going to the Honda store or paying someone else to do it. Hope this helps. Take care.